maybe across some parts of the Midlands and Northern England. Essentially it's a dry day. Temperatures are okay, high teens, maybe low 20s, but feeling a bit warmer than that when you do get the sunshine coming through, which will take a bit longer for much of Northern Ireland and Northern Scotland. But across Scotland, lighter winds in the last few days, so it should feel a bit warmer. Temperatures generally being around the mid to high teens. Pretty hot though over in Rio for Andy Murray later on today. 28, 29 degrees potentially, light winds, high humidity as well. Light winds for us tonight, and with clearing skies, it's going to be a little bit chilly in rural spots at least, not so much in towns and cities. The warmth from the buildings, keeping those temperatures that bit higher around the low to mid teens. But we'll be surprised to get down to maybe 5 degrees through some Scottish glens by the end of the night. But the outlook for the next few days is really quite settled. Generally dry, lots of sunshine, increasing amounts of sunshine, and a bit warmer as well. In fact, Monday, a dry day everywhere with decent spells of sunshine around as well, just a bit of patchy cloud drifting through.